How to use CapCut templates. So here is a complete guide on how to use your CapCut templates. So let's get started. CapCut templates are pre-made video editing layouts with effects, transitions and music. So in order to get that, first of all, simply open the CapCut app on your mobile device and make sure that you are signed into your CapCut account. Now tap on the templates tab, usually at the bottom. Then what you have to do is browser search by keywords like travel, fashion, birthday, slow-mo or any according to your preferences. Now I'll just simply tap on the first one for an example. You can browse through other as well and tap on a template you like to preview it. Then tap use template option available there. Once you tap on the use template, you will have to select the photos, videos from your gallery as prompted and match the number of clips needed. So let me just tap on the use template. It just asks for the one video. So let me just do that and tap on the next option available, and CapCut will automatically apply the effects and transitions. You can make optional edits as well, trim, crop, change text, add music, and tap on the export to save or share. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.